Hi all, this is a quick video about how to take a Delta exam for your mainline certification. Uh, I'm not exactly giving the answer for the Delta exam, I'm just telling from where you can take it, Delta exam. So till last year, what is like last release or last Delta exam, what is happening? In the top of the ServiceNow or Now Learning, you can see the banner where you can click the link and take the ServiceNow Delta exam for your mainline certification. But this time it is not visible at the beginning. It's bit, uh, but I will tell you from where you can take it. You can go to My Learning, and if you see my certification at risk April 26, but uh, there is no link here to take the Delta exam. No need to worry. You just need to go back to the home of the learning service now, and you need to scroll down till till the end, and you can see here credential at risk. Here you can click on and you can take the delta. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.